Hey traders, how's it going? Rick here with Hit and Run Candlesticks, and today's Wednesday, November 25th, 2020. Hey man, this year is just about over. Absolutely just about over. Hey, thanks for watching our video blog with our trade ideas, charts we're considering. We'll go through those in a second. I want to reach out and say thank you to everybody yesterday that participated in the Road to Wealth webinar and was there to help with the huge milestone that was made yesterday. And I hope everybody enjoyed the webinar last night. I really tried to open up and share everything I possibly could. I mean, just totally open up about the Road to Wealth and how we've been able to double the account in 3 months rather than 12 months. And as you know, we're starting a new one. We're using the same money, so now we're going to double it again, and we'll use 12 months again. So our goal is to turn $20,000 into $40,000 in 12 months, and we're going to do it with the same old way we've been working it. And again, thank you for all the questions last night on that in that webinar there. And if there's any follow-up questions, I would be more than happy. Just ask them, and I'd be more than happy to share. Okay. Hey, reminder too that Black Friday is right around the corner, and we have a Hit and Run Candlesticks has a lifetime membership available. This is where you don't pay for anything. You get all back. Any paid workshops, you get those. Any forward-looking workshop, any workshops that is a paid workshop going forward, you don't ever pay for those. All printed material. Anything that Doug Campbell and I do, Rick here, anything we do, you guys get all for free. After you buy the lifetime membership. The only thing that it does not cover is private private coaching, excuse me. So if you're interested, look below, click the Show More button just below the video, and there'll be some links in there. You'll find the link right there. Just click on it, and if you want it, take advantage of the discount we have there. All right, let's look at some charts. So the SPY, I'm going to put a line. I'm going to put that line right there. I'm going to paint this red. There we go. Because below that line, I'll have some concern. If we start to pull back, it's just a bad day, baby. But below 350, 40-ish, that's, I think, where we're going to have some problems. And the reason I'm using that, take a look at the weekly chart, and you can see the weekly chart where we have that support. So I think that's pretty fair support. If you look at the weekly chart, the last 3 bars here, that's pretty nice. I mean, overall, this is an excellent looking chart pattern. It really is. We rally up and we consolidate there. Beautiful, beautiful chart pattern. Go SPY, go. We still need to break out. We still need to, to keep it going, we need to break out. But we could see a little quiet, little consolidation, choppiness. This is the day before Thanksgiving, so who knows what today's going to bring. We'll have to watch that. All right, a few charts that I have is WRK. WRK has broken out, closed up nice. We're up a doji and a gap, and then a nice bar here. So I think what I would like to see is, I'm going to look for entry and something like that inside the buy box. Stop about that 43, we'll call it 44, 43.95 maybe. If you buy in this here. If you buy up here, you have to adjust your stop a little bit. Looking for a target or your goal area. Last night in that webinar, A Road to Wealth, we talked about how we take profits and we take goals. So what we could see is a situation where having this target up here is not the issue. It's a path to profits. So as we move up, we'll take profits on the way up, and that's how we've been able to increase the account. Base hits. So anyway, there's WRK. How about DFS? DFS, that's a beautiful chart pattern right in here. Excellent. We gapped up and then we consolidated. A bit choppy, but we consolidated and then we broke out. So what that means is the bulls are still very active here. What we're going to look for is consolidation to buy inside this box. 78, 85 for a stop. 87 up here, 92. We'll take profits on the way up if we choose to buy this. Now, truthfully, today, I don't know that I'm going to be buying anything because tomorrow is a holiday. I plan to take Friday off. So I'm pretty much looking at a 4-day weekend. So I'm going to be looking more toward lightening my positions up a little bit, not buying. And if I do buy some today, I may close it out today as well. Okay, IP, nice trend here. You know, we always want to be in a trend. That's where the best money is really made. The best money is not by trying to pick a bottom down here. We talked about this last night in the Road to Wealth webinar. The best money is in a trend. And I talked about what I wanted in a trend, and this is what I have here. So you can see where we've tested. We've tested. Here we broke out. This becomes a great place to buy. Nice chart right in here. There we go, right there. Hey, by the way, I wanted to mention, yesterday I had asked my friend Ed Carter with Live Trading Alerts if he could create me an alert or part of alert. It's not an alert by itself. It's part of alert where I'm looking for my trend, and that's something I'll be sharing today with folks in the trading room that use Live Trading Alerts. I'll be sharing that with you today, and we may make some tweaks on it, things like that, but I'll definitely be sharing that alert with you today over there. Okay, DAR, D-A-R. So DAR, we have a stop right in this area here. Notice I don't have a target up here. So let's take a look at that. So I'm going to be looking for an entry somewhere in that level right there. And I'm going to go a little higher than these highs. This is some all-time new high. So honestly, the way I feel about putting targets on something that's all-time new highs, I think that is personally a waste of time. It's not, well, I could talk a long time about this. We want to trade with our goals in mind. We want to trade using price action. So if a chart moves up, you know, you raise your stop up if that's what you want to do. But keep those goals in mind. As far as where it can go, now that we're blue skies up here, it could go to $100. It could go to $200. You know, things like that. So blue sky up here, let's just watch price and let's, you know, trade with our goals in mind. That works. That works. If anyone has any questions, please ask me in the trading room. I'd be glad to talk about this. This is something I absolutely love to talk about. So anyway, here's DAR, set up very nice little consolidation. Excuse me. And buying this area here. I mean, just getting up here to what, about 58? That's 20%. That's a 20% move. Man, that's great money. It could go higher. So let's just follow price and take profits into strength, and, you know, keep your goals in mind. PWR is another nice looking chart heading for a breakout. I guess I have a lot of breakout charts today. I guess I do. See how we rallied up and consolidated here? Up and consolidated. That's beautiful. I'm looking at this 68.35 as a stop. We'll look for a buy in this area right here. And then notice I don't have any kind of line up here drawn for any possible target or anything. And that's because we're at some all-time new highs. So with a buy inside the green box, what I'll be looking at is, you know, 70, 80 bucks. Think we can get 80. There's 13. There's 23% up here at $86. I absolutely don't see any reason why it can't do that. It's just a matter of the bulls buying it and follow the bulls. Just follow those bulls right up. follow those buyers. Make sure you use stops. Make sure you take profits on the way. XLB is trying to break out here. Now, I think it does need, we need to look at that. So we've got this high up here. Nice little gap up. I think what I'm going to do is draw the buy box just slightly higher and then down. Whoops, my mouse is off my mouse pad. There we go. Fix that. There we are. So I'm looking at this as being the buy box here, the stop around 70.75. We move up. There's a nice little 10% move on this spider here, XLB, up to that 79 area. So it is a very nice bullish chart. We just need a little consolidation set up in the buy pattern. And a simple inside day would work. Inside day today, inside day, let's see, tomorrow's holiday. Could be next week before the actual buy is actually presented. USB is another one. Check out USB. You got a nice little breakout. Another one up here, making some new highs. So let's put that buy box on there. Stop around 44. Whoops, I think I lied to you on this one. Stop around 44. 40 here. I have 58.60 tagged. So let's go look at this. Weekly chart. Yeah. Sorry. Lied to you on this one a little bit. You can see how we've broken out of these highs here. That's poised and set up to run to 50 up here. Right there would be a nice little level to go. And then from here, man, we could see 55 out of this. You could see 55. So Mitch is doing a great job. Mitch is also breaking out to some new highs here. We popped up, we pulled back, nice little consolidation chart pattern. Great candle day before yesterday, and then yesterday it held up very well. Beautiful inside day. So 134.20 with a buy inside the box area for a stop in case it doesn't work out. After that, let's just follow price, follow the buyers, follow the bulls, take profits. Excuse me. Take profits on the way up. And that's how you grow your account. That's what we've done with the Road to Wealth account. Starbucks is also looking at some new territory up here, some blue sky. Stop around that 97. We're going to put the buy box in there just like that, right there. Man, any one of these days could have been bought. See how that there was not a breakout to me. We popped up, great, but we pulled back and we didn't really do anything. Here, see how we closed now? We closed up, so we're a nice breakout. We could have been bought. It could have been bought here. Any one of these days, I think, could have been bought. And this is just a terrific looking chart. I like the way yesterday finished. I still think it's a buy in here. As far as some upside potential, we get up to 110 up here. That's 12%. That's very possible. 105. That's very possible. That's a 7% move in Starbucks. Boeing. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I have not been a Boeing fan just because it's been full of drama for a long time now. Well, maybe that drama is starting to go by the wayside, and with the possibility of more travel down the road, not necessarily right now. I think I might have to look at some Boeing here. I'm looking at 275, 300 up here as a good place for it to move. In the, I would say, the near future, could be a month or more up there. I don't think it's a buy right now. I'm not interested in buying this type of chart pattern. We've got this candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days ago is not good. We really haven't broken out of that. So I'm just going to kind of watch this chart pattern. Let's see it develop. And if it sets up a little better, something more that I like, I'll certainly be announcing it. in the app that, members and all trial members, they get the app live real-time alerts. But I'll certainly post if that starts shaping up. And again, I'm looking at this 276 to 305 up here for maybe the first really good move, and then we'll evaluate after that. So, okay, again, we're at the end here. Again, happy holidays to everybody. Thank you very much for watching our video blog and charts we're considering. Appreciate it. Thanks again for everybody being there last night at the webinar. I know it was a little bit long, 2-hour webinar, but I tried to cover as much as possible on how the road to wealth has reached this 3-month milestone. What was supposed to have been in 12 months doubling the money, it turns out we doubled it in 3 months. So thank you again for being there. I appreciate it. And I'll keep you posted how we're doing going forward, turning $20,000 into $40,000 inside 12 months. So I'll keep you posted on that. You guys all take care. Have a wonderful holiday, and I hope to see you in the trading room. Good day.